on this computer. There we go. Hey, good morning. So it is Tuesday, May 30th, and I'm just going to go over what the math assignment is today, then do a quick review of everything that's due this week. We'll go over the week at a glance, and then I've got some math games you can play if you're done with today's assignment, which you might be because it was assigned last week. So today's assignment in math is 1402 backyard coordination. And you had this lesson last week. It's about graphing points on the coordinate plane. They say first quadrant because eventually you'll have a coordinate plane that goes in every direction. It'll still be 2D, not 3D, but it'll have an X and a Y, and it'll have the other side of the X and the Y. So it'll go to negative numbers, which is a new concept that I don't think you guys have done too much with yet. Anyway, here's the lesson. And then on the last page of the lesson, it has the assignment that's due today. It's called Backyard Coordination. And you need to open it up and save it on Kami. Go to your Kami and open it on Kami. And then you need to do the assignment. Oh, look, I've already done it. I'll show it to you quickly. And I did it in the recording as well. So when you do the assignment, you need to write the coordinates down like this. You do not include the X and the Y, just the numbers. So like 4, 9, 6, 3. So you finish that. Then you plot these points on the map with the letter and the coordinates would be great. Then it says that you need to pay attention to this chart and study it. So this is the time. In 1 minute, he can make 2 cookies. So 1, 2. And what they're having you create here is a table with plots on it that you're then going to connect with the line. And then Derek decorates more cookies. He plots 5, 10 on the coordinate plane. What is the meaning of the point 5, 10? Does he do 5 cookies in 10 minutes or 10 cookies in 5 minutes? You're going to have to look back at the chart and see what it means. Okay. That's today's assignment for math. And then I'm just quickly going to show you the week at a glance, which I didn't show you this morning. So here we are, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are normal days. Friday is a half day in person. So the kids who started the science lesson last week, your lesson 1304, the assignment is due today on building muscles. Everybody else who did testing, you're going to want to scan through science lessons 1301, 1302, 1303, and 1304. You don't have to turn anything in. I've gone in and given you credit for those lessons already, or it should show that way. If it's still showing that they're missing, you could go submit something just saying I did it, but I already gave you the credit. Then in language arts, you have lesson 1205 today, and it's not due until Friday. And what's due on Friday is your finished essay. So you need to finish and turn it in on Friday. Specials, it's a B day today, A day tomorrow, B day on Wednesday, and an A day on Friday, sorry. And on Friday, everyone can zoom into specials. And then at 10 o'clock, we're doing math. We're doing the assignment that you already did the lesson for today, 1402. So you might be done, and I have some math games you can play. Tomorrow, we're doing a new lesson, 1403. Halame, I know you haven't started this one yet, but I think you'd like this math lesson. It's pretty easy. So give it a try. It's just plotting things on a it's kind of like playing Battleship. And then the assignment for 1403 will be due on Thursday. And then there is a new lesson on Friday, which is, oh, I know what it is. It's a quiz. It's just a project-based assessment. So I skipped 1404 because it's a DBA, it's a review thing. And then 1405, you're doing the project-based assessment on your own on Friday. It's kind of like an end of unit test. Then we have the SRG book club today and on Thursday. And then on Friday, everybody's going to start a new science lesson. And then at 12:20, we have our Zoom session for read alouds and writing. You need to be finishing your essay, so I'll set up breakout rooms for you guys to finish. There's an in-person on Friday. Heart of Reading, you're going to come in tomorrow, but you won't come in on Friday because we don't have regular class in the afternoon. And then there is a social studies lesson this week, lesson 505. It's due on Thursday. It's just a quiz. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yep. And then this reproductive organs lesson is on tomorrow. I'll teach it. And then it's due on Friday as well. The warlords come in today and Thursday, and the untitled's just tomorrow, and you're going to not come in on Friday. And that's it for this week. And next week's a flex week. So if you have any questions, let me know, but that's what you're working on. You can also always look at the calendar. Okay?